Cough ruining your vibe. Let's fix that, fast. Here are top natural cough remedies in 1 minute. Honey and lemon. Honey soothes, lemon clears mucus. Mix, sip, feel better. Tastes like a warm hug. Honey and onion. Weird, but it works. Let it sit, take a spoonful, bam, natural cough syrup. Ginger tea. Ginger reduces inflammation. Boil slices, add honey, sip the spice, ditch the cough. Hot water and honey, simple and soothing. Hydrate and calm that scratchy throat. Steam inhalation. Boil water, add essential oils, and inhale. Clear out mucus like magic. Pineapple juice. Bromelain helps with mucus. Tastes like a tropical vacation with health benefits. Try one, try all. Like, follow Earth's Remedy Hub and breathe easy